All right. Good morning. We just had the inflation report come out and create this big bar, which is pretty cool. Um, Oftentimes, 9:30 Eastern time, this stuff happens. That's a huge 65 ticks. That'll earn you a living. But what does it do? It cleaned out everybody, right? I got caught in this yesterday, thinking that from my other day, I was telling you that I sold this over here, and yesterday my trade, I did this. I was somewhere, I think it was right here. And I had to step away from my computer. So I didn't collapse my risk when it started coming down in here. I just, I stepped away and I said, well, let's see what happens. We have a high over here, and price, you know, it bounced off the zone up here, came down, took out this guy here a little bit, not a huge amount, but the next one did. And so I, took my shot and I got pulled back on. So then I got frustrated and I didn't trade. I didn't want to participate because I was biased. It's the thing about your bias is that it controls a lot of what you're thinking. So I watched mostly and was kind of playing with some things, and I could see these beautiful entries along here. It's a great day. Drew along. And then in hindsight, talking about my setup of the impulse, pull back, impulse, the wash, comes back, and then the next impulse, right? This is what can happen when you're not really in tune, because we have the impulse, we have a shelf, kind of a shelf here. But as this breaks through here, it gives us a really a really nice opportunity to get back in. And I was up here. I stopped. I didn't even catch it. So that was kind of, whatever. But that's what you're looking for, right? That's all you're looking for. One of these, two of these a day, 18 ticks. If you're looking for 10 to 15 ticks a day, 10 to 20 ticks a day, uh, that's really not that hard to do. It's just, one of the challenging things about this business. Geez, what's wrong with me? It's just, sticking in there, hanging in there, and ignoring, like I said, ignoring what's going on over here, so you can focus on what's going on over here. So today will be interesting because Um, price. What happened here, right? Price really didn't take out this whole thing yet. Uh, all these guys in here, these buyers, they all got wiped out. They got to switch sides. From this standpoint right now, um, I'm still thinking the buyers are in control, but this might come off. Put your zones up here, see what happens. Start fresh here and see how this plays out. Um, you're going to have, an impulse down. Once it breaks through some of this stuff, you have a better understanding of it. And, price took out the high here. So oftentimes in the ES, once price breaks a high, it'll pull back into something else. And then, one of the other things I was going to talk about, just kind of an alternate to the impulse leg, right? So say you didn't catch that one there. I've been drawing this thing here, right? Drawing your parallels down and coming off the top, right? Draw your parallel. You can draw from here, but any one of these lines that hit on the off the parallel lines on the way down are not bad trades, right? Gives you a stop, right? You got in there, your stop's down here. That's going to play out. Measured move up into there. That's going to give you, plenty of room to go. And if you want to keep your money, you can take your money there. You can hide behind the washes as they go up, and then the reverse will take you out. There's a couple of different things you can do that will keep you in the money, making money every day. Watching this here as price, you start to draw this over as it it's kind of hard to do here, but it's as it goes up here, it gives you a line of excursion. It's starting to push over, and then finally when it gets all the way up to here, and you have your line of maximum excursion, that this is going to start breaking into something, right? Where does it land? That's what everybody wants to know, right? Where does it land? Well, sometimes it pulls all the way back to the top, so maybe it's a deeper swing. Sometimes I'll do a measured move down, and that's about right. It came down about here. So then you can just start looking in here and draw up your zone, do your parallel lines, and then draw across the line there. And then in here, as you see price break out, pop up there, you can buy this line here. You can, maybe you want to, I can see it in here, right? See that little impulse up with your shelf, little box there. Boom, get another one. Personally, I'm probably in here. I'm buying this line because I'm impulsive. I get excited about these things. I have a friend that can do really well with reading the candlesticks, and he'll come in here and tell me that um, this reversal bar is where he gets in. He has it coming down. See, it's down, 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 pop. All right. So from there, he's like, all right, get me in, you know. And you can see it's almost like a reverse impulse because you have the box down, flow is up, and then you can work your way up to the next swing. Take your money out, and then reset and and carry on. These are great days to play in the market because you can read this stuff. Sometimes you come off here. It's a balanced swing. This balance, this reverberation that's going on in the market really gives you an opportunity to capitalize on that opportunity. So come in here, buy that, give yourself 20 ticks, and call it a day, and then you're done, and go do something else. Because we're not here to sit in front of a computer all day. All right, have a good day. Good luck trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.